Hi, I'm Dana Lewis, a Sephardic singer, storyteller, and vocal coach. My work is about helping people discover the power of their own voices. My concert, Los Korasones A, The Heart Speak, brings that work to the stage through Ladino music, storytelling, and the voices of Sephardic women. I invite your community to celebrate the heritage of this deep Ladino musical tradition. Together, we explore the question at the heart of the concert. What can one voice do? At a time when many Jews feel unsafe, the instinct can be to get smaller. This concert invites communities to do the opposite, to gather, to sing, and to choose Jewish pride and joy. That invitation grows directly from the woman at the heart of Los Korasones A, who met devastating times with song and resistance and carried their communities and their culture forward. Sephardic music is a woman's art form. In these Sephardic songs, women get to rage, desire, grieve, joke, and answer back. They get to imagine versions of themselves that maybe daily life did not allow. Women were rocking children to sleep with songs that carried heartbreak, humor, and power. What I love about Ladino is that it's a language of coexistence. Rooted in Spanish, it carries Hebrew, Arabic, Turkish, Moroccan, Greek, Persian, and more influences shaped by centuries of exchange between Jewish, Muslim, and Mediterranean worlds. That exchange shaped who we are. As a Sephardic and Ashkenazi Jew, I feel called to share this perspective. Amid fraught Jewish-Muslim relationships and escalating anti-Semitism, this concert creates a space for conversation and hope. Each of them helps us follow the question we began with. What can one voice do? She was brilliant and restless, a voice being told to disappear, but still reaching for a future. While Stella's voice remembers, Jamila's voice bears witness and then resists. And the other women demanded to be sent to the mountains to join the resistance. Not only to survive, but to fight. Thank you. And then there is us. Because once we've heard these stories and these voices, we are no longer outside of the story. We become part of what happens next. Because joy in challenging times is not shallow. It is its own kind of rebellion. So now we sing from both. From joy, from anguish. Is there anything more Jewish than that? So what can one voice do? It can rejoice. And when it is met by other voices, it becomes a chorus. Music passed down through generations connects us to one another. Bring Los Korasones A to your community. Together, we will remember who we are and discover what becomes possible when we raise our voices together.